Hello everyone, this is John for Physical Geography's Hazard Group 5. Today, we will be looking at various hazards of different geospheres such as the hydrosphere, lithosphere, and atmosphere. Our first stop will be Sacramento. In Sacramento, we will examine a hydrosphere hazard known as floods. In Sacramento, there are rivers such as the American River here that cause floodways. Floodways are channels that allow for an overflow of water caused by flooding. According to the California Department of Water Resources, 90% of floods in California are caused by riverine flooding when the water in these rivers increases substantially. On a local level, a pattern can be seen of floods occurring in areas closest to the rivers. As a result, the property neighboring these rivers is more vulnerable to floods. In order to combat this, the city should implement strong levees to prevent the flood from reaching local homes. In areas such as this one, you should have levees that will protect these households. As of right now, the city has many levees in this area, but some of these levees may not be as strong as they could be. For this reason, the city should continue to monitor and enhance its levees to ensure its residents' safety. Well, that's all for Sacramento. Our second stop will be Hume. In Hume, we will examine an atmosphere hazard known as wildfires. Hume is located in the Sequoia National Forest. The red coloring in the center shows a satellite-detected fire. The grayness surrounding this fire displays the smoke density, which is higher in areas where the wildfire is present. The pattern is this. The ends of Hume have become very dry in the recent months, which has allowed this fire to spread easily and consume more of the forest. As seen in this image, the small black pins show small amounts of dead fuel moisture in the surroundings. With a small amount of dead fuel moisture, this fire can spread into more areas of the forest. By starting on one side of Hume, the fire is able to disperse and harm neighboring regions. With this in mind, it would be a good measure to prevent this fire from spreading. In this situation, using aircraft to drop fire retardant would mitigate the wildfire. It would also be advisable to have residents of Hume have a prepared evacuation plan. Now that we've examined this natural hazard, it's time to leave Hume. Our third and final stop will be San Luis Obispo. In San Luis Obispo, we will examine a lithosphere hazard known as earthquakes. Within this local scaled view, we can see the renowned San Andres fault line from the location of San Luis Obispo, California. As observed by this map, it can be inferred that the area located closer to the western coastline can feel the strength of an earthquake more than those in the outskirts. Another pattern which can be observed is that the area surrounding the San Andres fault is full of forestry and mountainous regions, unlike the exact area of the San Andres fault line. The reason behind this fault line being close to the coast is due to it being the area where two tectonic plates touch. The San Andres Fault plate boundary is located on land, which is somewhat unique compared to many other faults in the world which are located mostly in the ocean. A solution to these intensified earthquakes is for local residents of SLO to have earthquake emergency plans and kits at their disposal. Although earthquakes are unpredictable, locals should be prepared for worst case scenarios, especially since they're so close to the fault. Well, that's all folks. After taking a look at floods, wildfires, and earthquakes, we have completed this virtual field trip. From Hazard Group 5, until next time.